How to remove Shadowban on Twitter from your account. Are your tweets invisible? Here's how to check and fix a shadow ban on Twitter, now called X. So confirm the shadow ban, search your handle in incognito. If tweets don't appear, you may have a search ban. Use a shadow ban checker tool to detect search, ghost, or reply bans. Identify the ban type. Search bans, hide tweets, ghost bans, make replies invisible, and reply boosting pushes your comments under show more. So, third, stop triggering behavior. Avoid mass following, spam, hashtags, duplicate replies, automation tools. These often cause bans. After that, delete offending posts, remove repetitive or flagged tweets to reset your account signals. Pause activity for 48 to 72 hours, then resume gradually with original posts and natural engagement.